Hey Dark Super Mario JJK. We're going to Meowser Jr. birthday. Let's go.
No guys, I gaming super today.
No Dark Super Mario JJK. We're going to Meowser Jr. birthday party. And that's final.
No sing this, and happy birthday Meowser Jr. to you.
How do this to me Dark Super Mario JJK? You just made me cry and ruined my birthday party.
Dark Super Mario JJK. How freaking dare you lashing Meowser Jr. birthday sing unhappy birthday to her. That's it. Get out. Now.
Dark Super Mario JJK. How dare you ruin Meowser Jr. by saying unhappy birthday.
That's it. You are grounded 29 years.
Go to your room now.
What?